In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tally.so to Google Sheets. If you're looking to streamline your workflow, this connection will help you seamlessly transfer form data from Tally.so to your Google Sheets, saving you time and effort. So let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, we'll start by opening up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Tally.so and hit Enter. Click on the correct link, which will take you directly to the Tally.so website. Once you're there, you need to log into your Tally.so account. Enter your credentials and sign in, and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now, let's focus on the form you want to connect to Google Sheets. Navigate within your Tally.so account and locate the published form that you're interested in. Once you have that form open, look for the Integrations tab associated with it. This is where most of the magic happens. Within the Integrations tab, you will find various options for connecting your form to different services. Our goal today is to connect this form to Google Sheets, so find and click on the option that says Connect to Google Sheets. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Just enter your Google credentials here if needed. Once you've logged in, it's time to create or select a spreadsheet. Tally.so will guide you through this step, prompting you to give your new spreadsheet a title or description. This is particularly useful if you're managing multiple forms and need to keep them organized. You can also choose to export existing submissions to this spreadsheet by toggling on that option. This feature can be incredibly helpful if you want to backdate the entries you've already received. After you've chosen your spreadsheet settings, it's time to finalize this integration. Simply click Save Changes to solidify the connection between your Tally.so form and your Google Sheets. With this done, your Tally.so form submissions will now automatically funnel into your selected Google Sheet, enabling you to access and manipulate your data in a more versatile environment. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Tally.so to Google Sheets. This integration is a powerful tool that can greatly enhance your data management capabilities, offering an automated way to keep your information synchronized and up to date. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your digital tools.